Hey guys, in this video I'll be mentioning some of the best upcoming rugged phones of 2025. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the first device in this video is the Ulefone Namo 29 Ultra. Now of course, a lot of us are anticipating the release of this device. According to some online sources, the Namo 29 Ultra would launch in August. It's expected to be the successor of the Namo 28 Ultra and of course would be Ulefone's best rugged phone of 2025 when it releases. Now the only thing is that the Namo 28 Ultra has a thermal model. I think there's going to be a model of the 29 Ultra that has a thermal camera just like the Namo 28 Ultra thermal version. But anyways, this device is also expected to be much more expensive. It's going to cost at least $900 to $1,000, and if there's a thermal model, it's also going to cost more than $1,000. But anyways, these are the top features of the Namo 29 Ultra. Next, the device is set to run on the Android 15 OS. The Android 16 is out already, so I'm expecting this device to receive the Android 16 update. It boasts significant processing power with the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor clocked at 3.4 GHz, complemented by the Immortalis G720 GPU with a clock speed of 1.3 GHz, ensuring smooth performance for even the most intensive tasks and games. Memory and storage are ample, featuring a massive 16 GB of RAM with an additional 16 GB of VRAM and a spacious 1 TB of internal storage, expandable up to an impressive 2 TB via microSD card. Durability is a core highlight, with IP69K indicating protection against high pressure, high temperature water jets, and IP68 for immersion, dust protection, and general drops. It's also built to operate in extreme temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. The phone's substantial 33.8mm thickness and 688 grams weight are indicative of its rugged construction. An immense 21,200 mAh battery, which offers an exceptional 1,140 hours of standby time and 114 hours of talk time. Charging is incredibly fast with 120 watts support and also supports 10 watts reverse charging. The display is a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus screen with a 1080 by 2460 pixel resolution, providing clear visuals. Photography is a strong suit with a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main sensor paired with a 50MP ultra wide angle lens and a dedicated 64MP night vision camera for low light conditions. Video recording can reach up to an impressive 8K resolution at 30 FPS. I'm talking about the rear main camera here. The front facing camera is 50MP, which is capable of recording up to Full HD videos at 30 FPS. Now, connectivity options are comprehensive, including dual SIM support, USB Type-C with USB 3.2 Gen 2, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and a full suite of navigation systems, including GPS, GLONASS, and the others. It retains a headphone jack and features a single 2-watt speaker. Additional essential features includes NFC, OTG, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor integrated with the power button, face unlock, an IR blaster, which means you can use this device to control most of your home appliances, and the device also features an underwater camera mode. It also incorporates all major sensors like proximity, accelerometer, and gyro, ensuring a comprehensive and highly functional user experience for those requiring a phone that can handle harsh conditions. So these are the top features of the Namo 29 Ultra. The device would likely go official in July, and as regarding its price, well, it's expected to be a little bit more expensive than the Namo 28 Ultra night vision model, but this device will still cost over $1,000. It's not going to be cheap. So the next device is the Dooji VMax LR Pro. Now this is one of Dooji's best 5G rugged phones, and the device is unique because of its battery capacity. It packs a massive 30,000 mAh battery. It is a Dooji phone with the largest battery capacity, and of course other specs of this device are pretty much impressive. It also features a super bright 1200 lumens camping light and many other features. And speaking of features and specs, well, here they are. Additionally, the phone also features a laser range finder. This phone also packs a 1200 lumens camping light, guys, so it's loaded. Anyway, other features of the device includes the Dimensity 7400 chipset. It has 12GB RAM and 1TB internal storage. It has a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate and Corning Gorilla Glass protection. In the camera department, the phone packs a triple rear camera setup led by a 200MP main sensor, followed by a 64MP night vision camera and an 8MP ultra wide angle lens that can also function as a macro lens. The phone ships with the latest Android 15, which is very nice, guys. So additional features include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, OTG, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It is rated IP68, IP69K. It is also military-grade standard 810H certified. And finally, the price. The starting price is expected to be around $400, but I'm just speculating. As I mentioned earlier, the device is not available, but it is expected to launch very soon. It's going to be available on Amazon and of course other multiple online stores. Anyway, these are the top features of the VMax LR Pro. If the device is available, I'll share the details with you guys. And yeah, what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, the last device in this video is the Blackview Explore 1. I already talked about this device on the channel. It's Blackview's upcoming 5G rugged phone. It packs impressive specs and features and is expected to launch at the end of July, which means that we'll be seeing the device this month. Anyway, the Explore 1 is a really nice feature-packed 5G rugged phone, and these are its top specs and features. Comes in black and orange colorways, and it measures 29.5mm thick and weighs 638 grams. Running on the DualOS 4.2 based on Android 15, this device boasts a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with a 1080 by 2460 resolution, protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and offering a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. There's also a 2-inch secondary screen with a 240 by 296 resolution for extra utility. Powering the Explore 1 is the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 octa-core 5G chipset built on a 6nm process and clocked up to 2.4 GHz. You get two storage options, including 12GB RAM with 256GB internal storage or 16GB RAM with 512GB UFS 4.0 storage, plus support for up to 2TB TF card expansion. Fueling it all is a massive 20,000 mAh battery with 55 watts fast charging and reverse charging support. And in the camera department, you get a 50MP Samsung ISOCELL JN1 front camera and a dual rear camera setup featuring a 64MP main sensor and a 20MP night vision camera. Audio is handled by a smart K-Box speaker. The device is also rated IP68 and IP69K and military grade standard 810H for rugged reliability. For navigation, it supports GPS and other essential navigation systems. Other features include dual SIM, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner which is embedded on its power button, and face unlock. It also supports glove mode, which means you could operate this device while wearing gloves, NFC, dual 5G voice over LTE, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. These are just some of its top features. Anyway, what do you think about the Blackview Explore 1? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out. So these are some of the best upcoming rugged phones of 2025. What do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.